Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by committing to a short, timed rest. Pick 10 to 30 minutes and set a gentle alarm with a vibration backup. Next, lower lights and cut blue light so your brain quickly eases toward sleep. A dim environment helps you fall faster. Remove distractions now. Phone on Do Not Disturb and notify one person if needed. Once done, lie down or recline comfortably with neck support, take 3 slow breaths, and focus on exhaling to signal your body it's time to nap. Once you're reclined, guide your body into deeper rest using progressive relaxation from toes to head over about a minute to 90 seconds. This reduces muscle tension and speeds sleep onset. Combine that with 4-7-8 or box breathing to lower heart rate and calm the mind. If your environment still has noise, introduce soft white noise or low-volume instrumental music to mask interruptions. Make sure to monitor comfort. Adjust pillow or blanket. When the alarm sounds, wake gently and avoid jumping into intense tasks. Sit up, stretch, and drink a small glass of water to rehydrate and clear fog. Give yourself 5 to 10 minutes to stabilize before resuming focused work. This consolidates the nap benefit. If you wake groggy, note nap length. Keep future naps at or under 30 minutes or try a 5-10-minute coffee nap to shift alertness. If falling asleep was hard, shorten the target and add a brief guided cue next time to quiet the mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.